What's up guys, it's the championship game. Man, look at that view, it looks good. So we took 2 weeks off. The team that we're playing is KMD, they're a really good team. We always play them in the championship game. They couldn't play last week because they were in a tournament in Florida. So we had to take a week off, and then there was Labor Day weekend, we couldn't play at the rink, so we took like 2 to 3 weeks off. So let's see how bad the ring rust is. KMD is a really good team. They've got some good players, so let's see how the game goes. I haven't been on the ice in a few weeks, so let's see how that affects anything. I'm gonna try and stay really tight in the net, not do anything crazy, really simplify the game by just staying big. Where's I going with that? Not biting to a lot of the dekes that they're gonna have, because when they get in tight, they like to go back and forth, and they're really hard to read because sometimes if they're in tight, then they'll just shoot. Sometimes they'll pass back door. There's always a lot of plays when they're in tight. So I'm just gonna try and read the plays as much as I can. If you guys like the content, make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down in the comment section. Really pumped to have everyone like a part of the journey with me. It's been awesome. So let's keep it going. Let's keep the streak going. Let's keep the championship games going. I think this is like our 10th championship game like in a row, 12, 13 maybe. We're always in championship games, so really privileged, really stoked. So yeah, we're gonna hop into the video. I shit you not, I did not see that puck. I didn't see it at all. To make it 1-1. 6 minutes and 20 seconds left in the first period. We just scored to make it 2-1. 15 minutes left in second period. Damn, it hit my shoulder, then it went in. We just scored to make it 3-2. Like 20 seconds after that goal on me. 9 minutes left in the second period. We just scored on that to make it 4-4. 2 minutes and 20 seconds left in the second period. We just scored to make it 5-4. 46 seconds left in the second period. We got it. Trying.
Those last two are just fucking snipes.
Like that backhand is deadly, dude. It's hard. It's hard to read it. It's like the puck comes in all slow. I can't read it. Seriously, I'm fucking like looking up at the dark. I can't tell, man. Can't win them all, but I'm humble in victory or defeat. Yeah, it was a good season, great game. We just couldn't figure it out the last few minutes. I feel like we just let ourselves down big time in the defensive zone specifically. Yeah, thanks guys, thanks for tuning in. That's all I got. Hope you guys enjoyed. That's it. I mean